If it's Beyonce, if it's Beyonce.
Never let me talk. This is the problem.
Okay.
I have a business.
Okay, talk.
That's failing. You are so loud that our customers don't want to come inside.
Abusuan, there is this video air trending pa na se wunya hu ye de a na AdwenepaheneTv e de bro BeckyTv so ansa AdwenepaheneTv so. Eye America man mu e na Africa pastor bi a ono de wasinebo so be gina abonten aye dede e preachi atietia amanfo aso. E na broni ba bi so ababa attack no. No wie no wanya na sa akwa e sa afre a police for ye de e ma no. Hey Africa for yeah bro. Na ye hwe full video no na ye wi a obehunu de wi a America a police for ebi musuban etie. Na hwe de wi a ema no bi so e behave e de e wo abrochire ase. Ye hwe video no mala.
We don't hate you. We can hear you inside and we're trying to...
If it's Lady Gaga here, would you allow her to stop? Why me then?
I wouldn't allow Lady Gaga either.
No. If it's Beyonce. If it's Beyonce.
Never let me talk. This is the problem.
Okay.
I have a business.
Okay, talk.
That's failing. You are so loud that our customers don't want to come inside. It's chasing them away.
It's chasing them away.
Listen to me ask you kindly to turn this off. You turn it up.
No, I'm going to turn it down, but I cannot turn it off.
Theater.
I'm going to turn it down, but I cannot turn it off. It's in the law. I have the freedom to express my belief.
I need you to hear what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's why I cooperated.
Inside of our theater.
But I turn it down.
Ruining our business.
I turn it down.
But
you are ruining the business of God too. You are ruining the business of Jesus.
I have a business.
You are ruining the business of Jesus. You are ruining the business of Jesus.
We can't open the show.
You know, just like we said, there's nothing wrong with you expressing how you feel. This is
Ma'am.
Let me finish.
Yeah.
This is your First Amendment. You have the right to speak. But just
What's your badge number?
16871.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Can you let me finish?
Yeah, finish.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, they have a business going on. They have a live show.
Yeah.
It's just too loud. We're not saying for you to stop doing what you're doing, but just turn it down. Can we come to an agreement with
That's
that?
the agreement. That's what we're agreeing on. She's coming to tell me to stop. That's the issue.
Just turn it down a little bit. During the show. Okay? But just to avoid the problem. Can you do that?
I can do that.
Okay.
I can agree with that one. I was preaching here the other day. The LGBT community ran from there. 2 ladies. I have the video, but like I said, I cannot show you guys because Jesus told me not to. Because Jesus told us to love our enemies. They took my speaker and threw it down the river here. A new speaker. I just bought this one. They took it, threw it down the river. Broke our mic. I didn't do it.
Why did you call the police?
Because I love them. I love them. That's what I do. But I'm just trying to show you guys how that what is in our heart, our motive. Our motive is not to hurt people. Our motive is to preach them the eternal kingdom of God. But I'm not. She's in there sharing her business. Even if she come out and share, I wouldn't say nothing to her because that's her right to share whatever she believes in. So the police came here the other day and told me to slow it down. I slowed it down. There was peace. So you guys are the other ones. But the police also came here the other day and told me to slow it down. They're agreeing on the decision what to tell me.
Fun times. What was your name real quick?
Huh?
What's your name real quick?
My name is Perez. What's your badge number, sir?
10176.
Okay, sir.
What you said, Perez?
Perez, yeah.
Perez, good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
I'm going to tell you, carry on with whatever you're doing.
Yes, sir.
It would be greatly appreciated if you just keep the level of the sound down.
Okay, sir.
I'm not telling you to go away. I'm telling you what you can or can't say.
Okay, sir.
All right?
Okay, sir.
She makes some valid points, and I know you've got your constitutional rights. I'm not trying to, get in the way of those or anything like that.
Okay, sir.
It's all about just being reasonable, right?
Yeah.
So that's kind of where we're at.
Yeah,
all right?
I agree to slow it down.
Okay.
Yeah.
I appreciate
But
it.
the issue was just where she said to turn it off completely.
I know you've got your point, she's got hers. We're not here to take a side. We're not here to do the wrong thing. And in the end, right, that's what peacekeepers, that's what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir.
So when she started getting really upset with you, if you noticed, I shuffled her off, got her away. I don't necessarily want somebody giving you a hard time. You've got your thing to do, and I respect that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So all we're asking for is reciprocity there.
Okay, sir. Okay,
so
sir.
if you can show us some respect, we'll show you some respect. And
All
vice
right.
versa. All right. That's
Okay,
what the
sir.
world's about.
Okay, sir. Thank
All right.
you.
Have a good night.
Thank you. You too, sir. Glory be to Jesus Christ. Yes, like I was saying, we are here today to preach the good news of the kingdom of God, the gospel of Jesus Christ that saves from hell, that saves mankind from perishing into hell.
Ghana this my Ghana TV for so far adwempan aka Enkrata mu King Kong aka Fufokin aka be my enfan yiranum enye fom aka mitu na omatie Mr No Pressure odi me chair pressure be de be fawo abusua ndi kwaso so abomode na share video ye de efa emame na me ye sure se wa hwe video no enyina awie na ahwe ye no ete wo sei ebi mu kire se eye sofo no anya ade ebi mu so kire se eye oba no be attack sofo no so anya de anya ade ebi mu so pa kire se sofo no ya ade ebi mu so pa kire se oba na ye de ya ade na nyina na chi no a police fo no e baaye no asundwe ene ye de ene baaye ye ka kire no se onlowa eye ne machine na wo ye de wo de e preach no so atiase emo no so ye de etiase na se emra no e de eye adwuma obi wo betu kwan na ayemhihie e wonumu we nkasofo ye obi ayemhihie wonumu a kabroni ba no e baaye na no nkodimrika e de ekoi but won say onyanto boase nam so kuta ne krata enti no ene ma akukudro we e ba sofo no mu e be kasofo no eni krata ankasa akukudro we no kanya de ema ne mu nti we ehun say emra ne de eye adwuma drop your comment na ye nyina no ye mfanye adesua de mfanye afutu sem nye de ema ye ho na broni a ofre police fo ya the end of the day no unso no mpo na police fo ne de e pamo no say wonku African ni na ke nim sa brofo no ombe racist no ma be pamo African ni ye de age na that means say osi so that's what toto no ma ye na nim right and left akwasi broni entimi emo wapo akwasi broni edumi ye de ensisiu share video no ma me na enko worldwide na obia emfa binya de emfa nya futu sem oba so am ka tap send edama tap edwuma di ko maso ya sana person sen niska edi frama no ne edi ko Ghana kwanda tap app no na mekan fo ya de edama o first na we use a mesro obehia promo code adwenepahene e ma remfi no abo agun benya discount kama na mekan fo health so ya de edama health person trinwi na hana wo yo ba trinwi abobo apo wo ba na ne trinwi emu abobo apo no mu na akra na esu a mesro ko health aso obema nku papa na oba no obesra ahwe nim se mama dada no aka thank you medu besia nyame adoma ebesan ehia bi peace out
adwenpahene otwa supre kwabrafo waye kwa bibrim han bafo otwa burumu odi putupuriye buraburu ma mansan wo fufuo tomtibi